too splendid.
That's what you think.
You can't pull coaches all the time.
Oh, you troublesome trucks are lucky to be pulled by me.
James wasn't having a very good day. And then he saw...
You're too slow! You're too slow! You're too slow! You're too slow! You're too slow!
Hello, James.
You really are red.
Yes, I've been repainted. What do you think?
I'll tell you what I think. I think you're trying to look like me.
No, I'm not.
Not so red now, squeaky wheels.
Squeaky wheels. Why are they calling you that?
No reason, just ignore them. Where are you off to, then?
I'm taking my trucks to Crovansgate.
I'm going to Crovansgate too. Want a race? Just to see which of us is the fastest red engine.
OK, that sounds fun.
1, 2, 3, go! Come on!
You're too slow! 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 You're too slow!
Sorry, Henry!
Oh.
There's clearly something wrong with your brakes, James. You barely managed to stop. I don't think you should be racing.
Maybe we should drive.
Good idea.
No!
You're too slow! You're too slow!
Kevin!
You're too slow!
Yes,
You're
boss.
too slow!
you
You're
looking
too
brake
slow!
fluid?
You're
Course
too
not, boss.
slow!
I
You're
check
too
regularly.
slow!
Then
Too
what is
slow!
that?
You're
What
too
is
slow!
what?
You're too slow! You're too slow! You're too slow! You're too slow! You're too slow!